Ghana sought to develop the manufacturing sector when it adopted the import substitution industrialization policy. This attempt of the Nkrumah government failed. The Ghanaian economy has defied the traditional model of development by jumping straight from being agricultural-led to a service-driven economy. The number of jobs that are provided in the service economy is overall relatively small compared to the revenue generated. This could lead to the case of a large economy on paper, but with also high unemployment, and this is not sustainable in the long run. In the service economy, the concentration of income is around specific skill sets or geographical areas like Accra, which is the capital city. The announcement of the industrial transformation agenda by the present government, labeled One District, One Factory, shows that the country wills to give industrial development another push.
Government, in collaboration with the Association of Ghana Industry, has also arranged a suppliers credit facility for $2 billion United States from China to provide equipment, machinery, and other facilities in support of the program.
The program seeks to address the challenge of severe poverty and underdevelopment among rural communities through the establishment of an institutional framework that will attract private sector investment in rural development activities. It also seeks to promote local participation in economic development and encourage new community-based public and private partnerships. According to the Ministry of Trade and Industry report, 280,000 jobs has been projected to be created under the operation of all 278 factories. A cumulative increase in the number of direct and indirect jobs of about 288,599 is expected. This deliberate attempt of the government to establish medium to large scale factories across administrative districts of the country, taking into account respective comparative advantages and resource endowments, this in the long run will provide opportunities and develop rural areas, and it will eventually slow down rural-urban migration and raise living standards in rural areas far from the main economic centers.